All right, you guys, so what we're gonna need here today is we're gonna need a little screwdriver to pop this out. So a lot of screens are a little different. This one you can tell it's springs, so there's gonna be springs on the inside there. So take the screwdriver, pop that out. And these are older screens. You can see it as it's, and those are the metal parts I was telling you about that are springing. Some of those are missing on windows. You may not have them on the ones that you're doing. Just like one down here. All right, you guys, so on a house today, it's 3,500 square foot, something like that. House goes up 3 stories as a drop off. We take a look at the back. So we have to do those windows yet still, but Vel's doing them from the inside. I just wanted to show you our process on doing this. So I've already taken the screen out. Making sure this is real good and soaked up. This is the first time we've washed this home, so we're gonna make sure it's good. I'm using fine bronze wool right now, making sure that I get all the corners nice and good. Like so. All right, sorry, I had a phone call come in. I like to get the frame nice and good like that. Look with the dirty towel, and then go ahead with the wagtail. And this here is dog-eared, so there's not a lot of cleanup at all. Unless I miss something. This is almost a bad habit. I don't know if it's such a bad habit, it's more of a habit on the rest of the squeegees that I use. There you go. That's one clean window. And then, it's not done yet. Just want to make sure all the water's off the edges here. And then also on the inside of here, where the screen sits nice and clean. All right, next window. What up, Val? You having fun window cleaning?
Of course, I'm always having fun.
Oh yeah, let's do this. I just need the door done. And the rest of the windows. We're just out here window cleaning in White Lake. White Lake. See, Vel's so tall, I could actually left him kind of a ways up there. So we're just doing some window cleaning out in, what is this?
White Lake, bro.
White Lake, White Lake, White Lake. Commerce, somewhere in there. Welcome to it.